Welcome to a journey where your digital marketing skills will soar to new heights. Introducing Remarketing Essentials for Beginners, the ultimate course that transforms curiosity into experience. Ever wonder how those ads seem to follow you around the web? That's the magic of remarketing. And it's not just a coincidence, it's a powerful strategy driving real results. Remarketing is a game changer. Statistics show that 70% of visitors who are retargeted with display ads are more likely to convert. Imagine turning casual visitors into loyal customers. And who better to guide you than Thomas Moravec, an Internet Efficiency Awarded digital marketing expert with over 1 million students on Udemy. In this course, you'll dive deep into the essentials of remarketing through practical screen recordings. From setting up Google Ads and Meta campaigns to mastering dynamic retargeting strategies, you'll learn it all. Discover the real-world benefits of remarketing. Lower your cost per acquisition, increase brand recall, and ultimately boost your sales and ROI. Join a community of learners who have unlocked the power of remarketing to transform their businesses and careers. With our structured step-by-step approach, you'll be able to apply these strategies immediately. Here's what you'll learn. Introduction to Remarketing. Setting up Google Ads and GA4. Optimizing with enhanced conversions. Leveraging Meta for Business. Creating high-converting remarketing campaigns. Using Campaign Budget Advantage Plus. Access the course anytime, anywhere with the Udemy mobile app. Plus, dive into our Resource Center on Google Drive for additional materials, listenings, and checklists. Whether you're a business owner, marketer, or simply curious about digital advertising, this course is designed for you. Enroll now and start your journey to mastering remarketing. Unlock the full potential of your digital marketing efforts with Remarketing Essentials for Beginners. Your journey to digital success starts here. See you in the course.